Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to make designs in Rubik's Cube. In this I will show you top 10 designs in Rubik's Cube. Number 10. Rotate the middle part of your Rubik's Cube and turn it until this design comes. When you see every side you can find everything is solved except the center part. But one thing, don't forget the place where you left off, and kindly rotate the place where you left off, and now do that again until the Rubik's Cube is solved. Number 9. If you have not watched my previous video which tells about how to become a professional in Rubik's Cube, kindly watch it. In that first step I have taught you as RURIUY. Kindly do that until this design comes. Rotate it and do that now until this comes. When you see every part you can find that plus symbol is solved in everywhere, but others are not solved. But one thing, don't forget the place where you left off. Now do that now until this comes and rotate it, and now do that. Number 8. Rotate the left portion to up and the right one to the up. Rotate it and do this thing for several times until this design comes out. When you see every side positions will be solved, not solved, but it will be fully of plus, but the top and bottom won't. The centerpiece will be opposite. Number 7. You move the left one double side and right one until it's solved, and turn the face of the cube and do that now. In this you can find every side portion will be solved except the centerpiece, and the opposite will be completely solved. Number 6. Now rotate the right and the left and do that for several times until this design comes. After this design comes, you can turn it everywhere and see everything is similar. That is, every plus will be solved except the centerpiece. Okay, if you want to solve this, you can move the left part twice and the right one twice and rotate it, and it's done. Number 5. Rotate the right side twice and the up one twice. Do that until this design comes. Rotate twice the face of the cube and now do that. So that you can find a place without the center solved. When you turn it around, everything will be solved except the both. Number 4. You turn the left portion twice and the right one twice and rotate it, and turn this side and rotate twice. In this you can find the both sides are solved, but the other sides will be plus, but the center one will not be solved. Number 4. Rotate the left one upside and right one. Do this until this comes. When you see this, the top and bottom will be of plus with no center solved. When you turn the side around, you can find everything solved except the centerpiece. Number 2. Rotate the right side twice and the left one twice. In this, and rotate the face of the cube and do this. In this, you will be finding that every plus will be in the sideways, but the top and bottom will be completely solved. This is the second. And now rotate the opposite side twice. And you can come in this stage and rotate twice. Until this comes. Rotate the face. And I consider if you are able to solve a cube, and this will be the top one because you can find a symmetry everywhere. Thanks for watching. If you like it, hit the like button and kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.